Yeah. Using Wavy. Yeah. Wavy, baby. Wavy, baby.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a quick and easy DIY to share with you all. I went into Dollar Tree and I saw these really cute graffiti pieces, and they had them in gold, they had them in silver, and I thought they were really cute. They resemble glitter. Yeah, when you look at it, it reminds me of glitter, and I said this would be fun to do a DIY with it. And then I also found some little plastic mason jars. Yeah, plastic mason jars, you guys. And I said I'm going to put them together and do a fun DIY. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. It's not hard, it's really simple, quick and easy, like I said, but the end results is very nice. So I'm coming on to share that with you all. So let's get into this DIY. Alright everyone, here's the items that we'll be using for this DIY. And like I said, everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go over and see what they are. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright, we have our plastic mason jar. They are plastic, so we're just going to take off the lid. And here it is, and we have these are the graffiti pieces. Aren't they cute? And we're going to use some Mod Podge and place all over our jar and add them on. And here we go, adding the pieces. Doesn't it look like glitter, you guys? It's so nice. And here's our finished look. Now, when I did do the lids of the jars, but when I was filming, I didn't realize that my battery died, and I continued working. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But all I did was I added some of the flower bling wrap onto the two large mason jar lids, and the smaller lid I placed the little bling gemstones that you can get from Walmart. I placed that going around the smaller lid. And as you see, it looks so super cute on now. A nice little neat and easy DIY to do. And doesn't it look like glitter, you guys? The little graffiti pieces? They look just like glitter, and they look lovely. I think it makes the mason jars look really nice. And you know, you can use these mason jars to store any little item in them. Makeup brushes, you can store your pens, your pencil, your scissors, your craft items. They are mason jars, so you can use them for a wide range of things. And I think they look super cute, all blinged out like this. And here's another look with flowers. Nice flower decor for the spring. The spring will be here soon, hopefully. I'm wishing and hoping for it to be here. But this is a nice flower arrangement inside these little jars. It looks super cute. And you can use the three pieces together as a centerpiece. Doesn't it look very nice? I think it looks lovely all together as a centerpiece also. A very nice, quick and easy DIY. Like I told you guys, take things from the Dollar Tree, any kind of dollar store that you can get to, buy the items, spruce them up, and you have a lovely piece of decor for your home or for your office. Yes, or even to give a gift to someone special in your life. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed my DIY that I had to share with you guys. Isn't it fun? It's nice, and like I said, you could put makeup brushes into them. You could use them for pens, pencils, store them on your desk. You know, they're mason jars. You can store lots of little nice items in them, or use them with the flowers like I did. It's really, really nice and cute, and it's a quick and easy and fun DIY like you saw. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of these quick and easy DIY. leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I love to share with you all. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.